Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So hi guys, welcome again to our video tutorial. I hope that you will like our video tutorial. So before we will start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you'll always be updated to my new video. So let us start our topic. So we will discuss this time about common multiples. So for example, we have 4 and 8. Now, we have to find their common multiples. When we say common multiples or when we say multiples, it is all about skip counting. So if you memorize your multiplication table, then it is easy for you to find the multiples of each given numbers. Okay. Now let us start with 4. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. So it's up to the instruction on how many multiples do you have to list down. But for this example, we have to list down the first 10 multiples. Let's go with 8. We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So we have 10 multiples also under 8. So after we list down all their multiples, each multiples, then it is time for us to identify what are the common numbers or the common multiples that both the given numbers have. Okay, make sure that they are both make sure that the numbers are the same. Okay, so the first one we have 8 for under 4 and 8 under 8. So that is the first multiple. We have also 16 and 16. Third multiple, we have 24, 24. Fourth, we have 32, 32. And the last one, we have 40 and 40. So those are the common multiples of 4 and 8. Again, the common multiples of 4 and 8 are the following: 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. That is how easy it is to find the common multiples. Let us have another example. We have 3 and 9. Now you are tasked to find the first 5 multiples. Okay, so you have to list only 5 multiples. So a while ago we just list 10 multiples. Now this time we have to list 5 multiples only. So let's start with 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. How about 9? We have 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. Now we are done listing their multiples. It is time for us to identify the common multiple. So we have here 9, 9. So we only have one common, therefore 9 is our common multiple of 3 and 9. So that is how easy it is. Okay, so let's have another example. How about 3 given number? We have 4, 8, and 12. We are going to list down their first 10 multiples of the given number. Only the first 10 multiples. Let's start with 4. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. How about 8? We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. How about 12? We have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and 120. So those are their multiples or their first 10 multiples. Now it is time for us to identify the same or their common multiples. Now, a while ago, we are just looking for the same two numbers. Now, this time, because there are three given numbers, we are going to look for the three same numbers. Okay? So, let us look which number are present in the given 4, 8, and 12. So, there is only one. We have 24 for the 4, 24 under 8, and 24 under 12. Therefore, our common multiple only for 4, 8, and 12 is 24. So, that's all for our video tutorial in common multiples. I hope you like our video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to our next video. See you again in our next video tutorial, my little mathematician. Bye!